Welcome to Extra Stock YouTube channel. Keep an eye on Suzlon, Tata Power, and other renewable energy stocks. Big government news. Renewable energy stocks set to shine. The government has made a groundbreaking announcement that could significantly boost the renewable energy sector. This development might pave the way for substantial growth in the stocks of renewable energy companies, potentially making investors wealthy. As enthusiasm for stock market investments continues to rise, many are on the lookout for stocks that promise high returns. If you're one of them, this news could be of interest. The government's recent move is likely to drive the renewable energy sector's growth, creating wealth opportunities for investors. Key proposal to achieve 500 gigawatts renewable energy by 2030. Union Minister Prahlad Joshi has proposed the creation of a task force in collaboration with the Ministry of Power. This task force aims to expedite efforts toward achieving the ambitious goal of 500 gigawatts renewable energy capacity by 2030. Joshi has called upon industry leaders and stakeholders to devise strategies to help meet this target on time. This initiative underscores the government's commitment to renewable energy, signaling potential growth for companies in this space, such as Suzlon Energy, Tata Power, and others. Stay informed with Extra Stock YouTube channel. Extra Stock YouTube channel keeps you updated with the latest stock market news. Please note that this content is for informational purposes only and should not be considered investment advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor before making investment decisions. Subscribe now and stay ahead in your investment journey.